In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your plagiarism report in Grammarly. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside Grammarly so you can check your writing against online sources and journals and see a clear report you can act on. This process is simple, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. Start by opening Grammarly in your web browser and signing into your account. The plagiarism checker lives inside the web editor, and it's typically available with a premium plan. If you don't see the plagiarism option later in the sidebar, that's usually a sign you need to upgrade or switch to the web editor. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new document or upload an existing file. Uploading is great if you already have a draft saved on your computer. For this walkthrough, we'll open a fresh blank document so you can see the process from scratch. Create a new document. You'll land in a clean editor with a title field at the top and a large body area for your text. Give your document a clear, descriptive title. Using something specific like the assignment name or article headline makes it easier to find your work later and keeps your projects organized. Now bring your content into the document. You can type directly or paste the text from another source. Make sure you include the entire passage you want to scan so the plagiarism results are comprehensive. If you paste from a formatted source, Grammarly will handle most formatting automatically, but the checker only analyzes the text itself. When your content is ready, open the plagiarism tool. You'll find it in the right-hand panel of the editor alongside other writing suggestions. Click the plagiarism checker to start the scan. Grammarly will compare your text to billions of web pages and academic sources, then return a percentage match and a list of any passages that need citations or rewriting. Give it a moment to finish if your document is long. Before you review, choose the citation style you need. Select the style that matches your guidelines so any suggested references or attributions appear in the correct format. Picking the right style now keeps your workflow consistent and avoids reformatting later. That's the full path to getting your plagiarism report in Grammarly. Open Grammarly, add your text, run the plagiarism checker, and set your citation style. Use the results to decide what to quote, paraphrase, or cite, and you'll strengthen your work with confidence.